everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I have in my bag or what I keep in my bag. We are out of lockdown in the UK now, which means we are free to travel, but we are not allowed to stay overnight somewhere yet. I think after 17th of May we are allowed to do that as well, but yeah, we can go on one-day trips, see our friends and do other stuff. So I recently happened to go to Cotswold. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen some pictures and stories from that day. So I took this bag with me and it has a lot of stuff in it. For the size of the bag, it contains a lot of stuff, and I was even surprised to see that I literally had almost everything, if not everything. Earlier I used to carry a big tote bag like the Neverfulls, but now I've started sticking to small bags because I've realized that I don't need half the stuff that I have in my big bags. And obviously I got this bag very recently on my birthday, so I was very excited to start using it. And since my birthday we were in lockdown and recently we've come out, so I've started using it now, and I'm just going to share with you all the stuff that I keep in my bag. Obviously, if you're living in a country where you're still under lockdown, or living in India where the cases are bad, I would not advise you to prepare your bag to go anywhere. You should instead just enjoy my video and stay at home. But if you live in the UK and you have finally come out of lockdown, I think this can help you decide or remind to keep some stuff in your bag. I won't take a lot of time in the intro, but if you like the video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, and other than that, let's jump into the video. So let's start. So the first thing that I keep in my bag are my glasses. Nothing fancy, just glasses you need. These are actually anti-glare and blue light protecting glasses, but sometimes at night when I have to drive and stuff like that, I use them at that time as well. But yeah, that's it. I don't think I have a number. I like to believe I had very minor, but now I don't think I have. But these are blue light protectant, and because my job requires me to be in front of computer all the time, I need my glasses. That's pretty much it about my glasses, I feel. Next thing is very important, is a mask. I keep a mask for myself in my bag. This is the need of the hour. It's the most important thing at the moment right now, more than your wallet. So yeah, I keep one reusable mask. I don't like to use the disposable ones a lot, because obviously this is better, you can wash and reuse rather than just using and throwing. Though I have a lot of disposable masks in my bag. Why? Because when I go out with friends or at places where I have to throw the mask and throw stuff that I'm wearing, like PPE kit, if like when I traveled to India I was wearing a PPE kit, so I threw everything because I was sitting in the plane for 8 hours. Or when I go with my friends and they've forgotten their mask or whatever, or anyone for that matter, I just keep disposable to give them. Next is another important thing, that is my wallet. Not exactly my wallet, it's just a card holder. I don't think I have money, and do I don't think I keep money here. I have £5. Yeah, that's all I have. I think that's all I have in my bank account as well. But anyway, that is my wallet, my card holder, and I don't usually carry it all the time with me because I have my card stored on Apple Pay, so I can obviously use my watch or my phone to pay, but still sometimes for ID purposes and stuff like that I keep my wallet. Next, I have very important thing, AirPods, which are almost never charged. So I keep my AirPods with me, and because they're almost never charged, I keep my earplugs with me as well. I don't think I need to justify why we need AirPods or earphones. It's just you need them, isn't it? Fine. Next thing is very random, is a pen. I don't think I've ever used a pen off this bag, but I still have it and I always have it. And then I have a lip balm. I have I don't have very dry and chappy lips, but it gets very dry with the wind and the weather in the UK because it's very dry. So I start licking my lips, and because of that I develop like chappy mouth as well. I don't know how to say it, but it's all red and stuff. So instead I use this lip balm. It's a Burt's Bee Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm. It's really good. It actually nourishes your lips and keeps them moisturized, so I really like it. Next is a comb. I have honestly never used a comb that's kept in my bag. Not on this, it's in all my bags, but I've never used it, but it's still always there. The maximum I do with my hair when I'm out is just tie them up in a bun or a pony when I'm eating. Otherwise just let them down and just run my fingers through and stuff like that. Next, the most important thing, power bank and cable. This cable is honestly my personal best purchase till now. I don't, because earlier I used to keep the cable that comes with the charger, which is so long. I think it's 1 meter and this is half a meter. I'm not sure about the length though, but I think this is the perfect size to be in the bag and for a power bank. So, and I always need a power bank because wherever I go my phone is never charged, and I've started forgetting my phone these days, leaving my phone on like wherever I go. Very recently I just left my phone in a restaurant, but yeah, it's nowhere connected to the story of a power bank, but I just try to keep a power bank with me, so at least I can call my phone up and tell people that I've left my phone and can you please keep it with yourself, and I can come back and take it. But if it's not charged, nobody's gonna help me, so I keep a power bank so that it's charged at all times, but it's never. Next is Tic Tacs. I like to keep some sort of mouth fresheners in my bag. It could be Tic Tac or chewing gums. There are two reasons. One is your mouth feels fresh and smells good, and second, when I'm very sleepy, this actually helps me, because there have been times when I've sat in the tube, slept, and I've reached somewhere else because I slept. So when you're in the tube, you can keep chewing. You can. But when you're in the tube, you can keep chewing on your chewing gum and it will keep you awake for a bit. The next one is hand sanitizer. Very important. Everyone needs it. I think most of the things that I've showed you that's in my bag is pretty much unisexual, because everyone needs a wallet, everyone needs power bank, earphones, glasses if you use glasses, and masks, and a sanitizer, need of the hour. Then I have these wet wipes. It's called the wet ones. These are the anti-bac wipes for your hands and your body. Suppose I'm wearing this and I want to sanitize myself now. Instead of putting sanitizer all over my arms, I can just take one wipe and wipe myself off. So yeah, these are good. I've recently got it. Like, I think people have started noticing all of these things only after COVID. So yeah, that's when I got it, and this is always in my bag. And especially because I was outside recently, so I had that. Then last thing are these disposable bags and sanitary napkins. Not a unisexual thing at all, but obviously I like to keep a few sanitary napkins and tampons in my bags for myself and if someone else needs it. So I just don't stick to one, but I keep quite a few. That's pretty much it. It's just a basic necessity of all the things. I would just keep, if I have to pick something, I'd keep sanitary napkins and disposable bags. That's it. Last thing in my bag is money. So I've got 30 pounds and I've got 30 euros, which I don't know why, but I've got 30 pounds and 30 euros. I really don't know why I've got euros in my bag, but yeah, that is it. That's all I have in my bag. Let me know what you think, if I have useless stuff in my bag or useful. I like to believe that I keep very basic and minimum stuff in my bag. I don't hoard stuff anymore, and I think all of these things that I have are pretty much useful. But yeah, let me know what you think, and if you think that I've missed on something important. Obviously there are two things that are missing in my bag right now because I've finished it. One is Pee Safe or a toilet sanitizer, whatever. I think I lost it last time when I was out. And the other one is gloves, the disposable ones. Finished it. My flatmate gave me a lot of those and last year, but now they're finished, so I've ordered a couple of them from Amazon. So once they are there, you can just crunch it and put them in. I don't keep my phone in my bag. It's always in my hand or in my pocket, and I have a scrunchie which is always on my hand as well. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I carry with me when I'm walking out of the house. I don't usually carry makeup with me. I sometimes carry makeup remover, but yeah, that's it. Usually not even that. I don't know. I don't feel I need stuff like that all the time. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, and if you want to stick around, subscribe down to my channel. Let me know what you think is important and that I've missed, and something that is absolutely useless and I have it. I think I still have some space to shuffle things around in my bag. It's for such a small looking bag, it is very spacious because it keeps so much, it holds so much. So I'm really impressed by this bag. Obviously, as I said in the beginning, if you live in a country where the cases are going up or you are under lockdown, do not, please do not go out of the house. And if you're living in the UK, enjoy the freedom you've got after so many days, whilst maintaining social distancing and wearing your mask, sanitizing yourself, and everything that everyone already knows. I think I would end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye.